Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a catalytic converter. First, gather your tools and ensure you have a safe workspace. You'll need a variety of wrenches and sockets, along with a reliable jack and jack stands. Safety is paramount, so make sure your area is well lit and free of clutter. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris. Before starting, safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with at least 2 jack stands. This ensures stability while you work underneath. Next, liberally spray all the nuts and bolts on the exhaust system with penetrating oil. Allow it to soak for several minutes. This will significantly help loosen any rusted fasteners. Finally, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent any accidental electrical shorts during the process. Now, locate the oxygen sensors connected to your catalytic converter. Carefully unplug their electrical connectors, and if necessary, remove the sensors themselves using an oxygen sensor socket or a 22mm wrench. Next, unbolt the catalytic converter from both the exhaust manifold at the front and the exhaust pipe at the rear. These bolts are often 12mm or 14mm. Once all fasteners are removed, carefully lower the old converter, ensuring it doesn't fall unexpectedly. With the old converter out, it's time to install the new one. Place new gaskets on the flanges and carefully lift the new catalytic converter into position. Start by hand-threading a few bolts to hold it in place, then tighten all fasteners evenly to the manufacturer's torque specifications. Reconnect the oxygen sensors and their electrical connectors. Double-check all connections for tightness and ensure no exhaust leaks are present. Also, check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.